Thursday, January the 3rd, and I'm hiking through Monmouth Battlefield State Park in Monmouth County, New Jersey, and devastation from Hurricane Sandy is just overwhelming. See, those trees just snapped right in half. This one, and this is a path that I've ridden on for years. Up there, these trees just snapped. That one right in half. And as I look off through the woods, I can just see the raw wood at the top of a lot of these trees from where they've snapped. It'll be a while before this stuff is cleaned up, and you know, again, the forest management people, maybe they're just going to decide to leave a lot of it and just clear the path. But looks like a bomb went off here. Oh my God. Continuing my journey through Monmouth Battlefield State Park, and I don't know if a tornado landed here or if this was just the high winds of Hurricane Sandy, but I'm very well acquainted with this park, and if you look up here on these different trees, you can see the fresh wood where trees are just snapped in half. Some of them fairly big, substantial trees. And again, the devastation in New Jersey is so serious that obviously money is more important to rebuild people's homes and communities and the boardwalks and things. But if you look at this, these trees are just snapped like toothpicks back in there. And definitely Mother Nature is retaking this park. This was a historic park because of huge battle between the Continental Army and the British Army took place here, and very hallowed ground. Really nice park. Still really. This was a healthy tree, fairly thick, destroyed by the storm. The size of that tree broke right there in half. And this is one of those areas that, you know, you look at it and you wonder, was this actually a tornado? On the side of some of these trees, amount of debris. Another big broken limb.